Tell me about yourself.
Good morning.
Veerengi choose matlada. Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir, and thank you for giving me the wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. My name is S. Jayanti, and I have recently completed my MBA in HR and Finance from Anantalakshmi Institute of Technology and Sciences under JNTU University. During my academic journey, I developed a strong interest in enterprise software and business practices, which lead me to pursue SAP training in the SAP module S/4HANA Finance. As part of my SAP training, I gained hands-on experience in key functionalities such as requirement gathering, configuration, testing, and data migration. Though I am a fresher, I am confident in my technical and analytical skills, and I am eager to apply my SAP knowledge in the real-time environment. I am also a quick learner and a team player. I am excited to start my career in SAP and contribute to your organization's success while continuing to grow professionally. Thank you.